Let's now focus on the story that's playing out for the past many weeks of women's rights to enter sanctum sanctorums of temples to dargahs. Activist Trupti Desai has received another threat against her campaign to enter the Mumbai's Haji Ali Dargah. Now, AIMIM leader Haji Rafat Hussain threatened Trupti, saying they will smear black ink on her if she enters the sanctum sanctorum of Haji Ali. However, AIMIM distanced themselves from Haji Rafat's statement, saying this is not a political issue and that religious leaders should take a call on whether women should be allowed inside the sanctum sanctorum of Haji Ali or not. Samajwadi Party has also opposed Trupti's plan. SP Women Wing members said they will stop Trupti Desai and her colleagues at the entrance itself. According to SP Mumbai Women's Wing head Rukhsana Siddiqui, they will not allow Trupti to enter from the main gate of Haji Ali. So clearly, Trupti Desai, who entered the sanctum sanctorums of Shani Temple and Trimbakeshwar Temple earlier, now faces several threats. Our correspondent Mayuresh spoke to Abdul Sattar, chairman of the Haji Ali Trust.
We will allow her till where the ladies are generally going. There is two separate parts. One main hall is there. There gents are allowed. But for ladies, we have put a small hall where they can stand, they can sit, they can pray.
So my question is that why women are not allowed to go on the mazhar?
It is against the Islam.
Okay. But before 4 to 5 years, women used to go there.
You see, if somebody has created some mistake, so he should continue till his life. Whenever he come to know that it is my mistake, he should repent. Correct it.
Now let's go live, in fact, to Haji Ali Dargah, from where Kamlesh is joining us. I believe, Kamlesh, you also have Jatin Desai, who's member of the Haji Ali for All Forum. So all the, in fact, reactions that we have run so far, there doesn't seem to be any pro-Trupti Desai voice so far. Is that how you see it, Kamlesh?
Well, indeed, before going to that, Smita, let me also tell you that the entire Haji Ali area has now been turned into almost a virtual fortress. We see a police presence all across, and what we learn from police sources is that this is the area which you now see on the screen is were designated where Trupti Desai activists who will be fighting for gender equality at the Haji Ali Dargah will be asked to protest, and they will be protesting here. And we have learnt just a while before that she will not be entering into the Dargah and will be staging silent protests outside the Haji Ali. But strong police presence, even plaincloth women police constables deployed outside Haji Ali. And as I said, Jatin Desai and also Shabana Ansari, one of the activists for Haji Ali for All, with me now. Jatin Desai, sir, first to you. What is the next plan of action now, since the police is not going to allow you inside?
No, in fact, from the very beginning, we have been very clear that we will have only peaceful demonstration outside Haji Ali. So it was, from the first day, it was very clear. We do not intend to go inside, because ultimately the issue is that we need to highlight how Haji Ali Trust or how Haji Ali Dargah is discriminating women. You will be surprised to know that before 2011, women were allowed to go inside up to Sanctum Sanctorium, and in 2011 they stopped it. There is no logic behind it. Now, for example, if you see, the Haji Ali Dargah trustees are same, they are also trustees of Mahim Dargah, and in Mahim Dargah women are allowed to go inside. So why discrimination? There is no logic. And what we are demanding is that Constitution has given equal rights to everyone. So women should not be discriminated.
Shabana Ansari, let me come to you. There's strong opposition to the entire agitation that's taking place here. We have seen political parties jumping into it. Everybody says that they'll not allow. The voices of dissent are more than what we see the voices of fighting for right at Haji Ali Dargah.
एक्चुअली मैं हिंदी में ही बोलूँगी कि हमारा ये मानना है कि जब अजमेर शरीफ में है ना, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि औरतें नहीं जा सकती, सिर्फ आदमी जा सकते। या हम देखा जाए तो काबा शरीफ है इतना बड़ा, तो उधर भी है ना, ऐसा कुछ अलग नहीं है, तो सिर्फ यहाँ पे ही क्यों? और फिर औरतों को संविधान के हिसाब से समता का दर्जा मिलना ही चाहिए और वो हम हासिल करके ही रहेंगे।
जिस तरह से राजनीतिक पार्टियां विरोध कर रही है, आपने देखा कोई कहता है कि चप्पल मारेंगे, कोई कहता है काली पोंछ देंगे। बतौर एक महिला आप क्या किस तरह देखती है इस पूरे विरोध को? महिलाएं भी विरोध में उतरी है।
हाँ, एक्चुअली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जितनी सारी महिलाएं हैं, चाहे वो जो भी जाति धर्म की हो, संविधान के हिसाब से हम सबको समता का अधिकार मिलता है और हम सबने इन सब के खिलाफ, जो भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ऐसे बातें करते हैं, उनके खिलाफ आवाज उठानी चाहिए।
Kamlesh,
so clearly, Smita, as you can see the protest. Yeah.
Kamlesh,
Yes,
if you
Smita.
can just ask your panelists a question. You know, most of the voices that have come in, they seem to object not to the fact that Trupti Desai should enter Haji Ali. They say everybody is allowed to enter Haji Ali. What their problem seems to be is that what if Trupti Desai were to go and touch the mazar, which according to them is not allowed, not just for women but even for men. Is that a genuine sort of a concern that they have?
Indeed, our anchor, Smita, she's asking, she wants to know about touching the holy mazar, the resting place here at Haji Ali Dargah. Now, I spoke to the trustees here. Now, they say that their logic is that, when you're allowed to touch the mazar at Baba Makhdoom Shah at Mahim Dargah, जैसा आपने कहा, जैसे वहाँ पर अलाउड है क्योंकि वहाँ पर उनकी माँ की मज़ार है वहाँ पर, तो इसीलिए वहाँ पर करना अलाउड है। यहाँ पर हालांकि हालात अलग है। तो ये जो विरोध हो रहा है कि मज़ार मंदिर के अंदर जा सकती है आप या फिर दरगाह के अंदर जा सकती है, लेकिन मज़ार को हाथ नहीं लगा सकती, तो विरोध अंदर जाने का नहीं है, सिर्फ मज़ार पे जाके हाथ लगाने का है।
जहाँ तक कि हमारी ये मांग है कि जहाँ तक के मज़ार में पुरुष जा सकते हैं, वहाँ तक के महिलाएं ही भी जा सकती है, ऐसा संविधान के हिसाब से। हम है ना, ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि ये धर्म में ऐसा है, ये धर्म में ऐसा है, वहाँ पर लेडीज़ की मज़ार है, वहाँ पे जेंट्स की मज़ार है, वो कुछ भी हम नहीं कर रहे। अगर वो बोल रहे हैं कि लेडीज़ की मज़ार वहाँ पर है, तो वहाँ पर पुरुष भी जाते हैं ना, तो महिलाएं क्यों नहीं? महिलाएं भी जाना चाहिए और संविधान ने हमें अधिकार दिया है।
लेकिन ट्रस्ट का ये कहना है कि सिर्फ संविधान की बात नहीं है, या शरीयत का भी मामला है, तो शरीयत के हिसाब से कुछ कानून बने और उनको भी मानना चाहिए।
हम यहाँ पर संविधान क्या कहता है उसको लेकर हम यहाँ पर आए हैं। हमारा एक ही लाइन में है कि हमें संविधान समानता का मर्तबा देता है, बराबरी का मर्तबा देता है, और वो हम हासिल करके रहेंगे। यहाँ पे शरीयत को लेके 100 सवाल पूछेंगे तो हम यहाँ पे उनके जवाब देने के लिए नहीं आए हैं। हम संविधान, हमें बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर ने औरतों को भी मर्दों के बराबरी का हक दिया है, वो हम लेने के लिए, हासिल करने के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पर।
You see, is there different Shariat for Ajmer Sharif and Haji Ali? That's the question. So we are, Shabana rightly said that we are not talking about Shariat or Islam or any religion. What we are demanding equal rights. The women, they used to get equal rights till 2001, 2011. And why sudden change this time?
So there you have it. It's not a question about Shariat or Islamic personal law. They say that they're talking about constitution and the right of equality that is given by constitution. So that is going to be the fight. And Smita, let me also briefly update that in another 15-20 minutes, that what we have learned from our correspondents who are following Trupti Desai from Pune, she'll be reaching here maybe in another half an hour or so,
Okay.
and then we'll see whether what the agitation goes around, and she protests here or she'll enter inside the Sanctum Sanctorum of Haji Ali Dargah.
Kamlesh, request you to be with us and ask your guests to be with you as well, because we also have a reaction from Trupti Desai. We just spoke to her and I began. Bhumata Brigade, which has begun its march, it's expected to reach Haji Ali in another half an hour or 15 minutes from now. Let's go in fact, to Haji Ali. Mayuresh is inside the premises of this famed Dargah. Mayuresh, take us through what is the preparation on the ground, because Trupti Desai's the other, in fact, members who Kamlesh was just speaking to, they seem to suggest they only wanted to do a silent protest, but Trupti Desai clearly saying that she wants to march into the Dargah. So what is the preparation really like inside the Dargah?
Certainly, right now we are at the main gate of a dargah, and you can see that the police have cordoned off this area. They have put the barricades over here, and you can see that few groups over here are protesting against the Trupti Desai and Trupti Desai's colleague, because they are adamant on their stand that we will not allow Trupti Desai to go inside this basically dargah, Haji Ali Dargah, because it is not in Islam. Islam has said that women cannot enter in dargah, and that's why we are protesting against it. And you can see that this is a Awami party group. They are protesting right now. Before that, we saw that SP Samajwadi Party women wing also protested over here, and all of them are protesting, and they are saying that they will not allow Trupti Desai over here.
Mayuresh, for our viewers,
Jatin Desai, who's also
Mayuresh, for our viewers who have never been to Haji Ali, including myself, if you could just give us a sense, as of now, which is the point till which both men and women are allowed to go? Is there an area inside the premises where only men are allowed to go? Because those who are opposing Trupti Desai seem to say that jahan tak touching the mazar is concerned, that is not allowed even to men, forget women. So can you give us an explanation and sense of which are the areas really?
Certainly, women can go inside the dargah, but there are different sections. One section is for women, which is 7 to 8 feet away from the mazar, and another section is for men, where usually men go and touch the mazar. So women can go till that point. That is.
So you're saying the mazar touching is allowed by men?
Yes, usually men go there, and even we asked this question to their chairman also. He also said that mazar touching is allowed to men, but prior to that, 7 to 8 years before that, even women used to go there. But after receiving a lot of complaints from various people, from n number of people, now they have stopped women entry. That's the explanation we got from the chairman itself. Back to you.
Okay, Mayuresh, stay with us. Kamlesh, as you can see these visuals for the benefit of our viewers, there are people holding Haji Ali mein dargah mein dadagiri nahi chalegi. These are actually people who are opposing Trupti Desai and her proposed march into Haji Ali, which could happen over the next couple of minutes. And Kamlesh is standing outside Haji Ali, where in fact pro-Trupti Desai supporters have joined him, and they are waiting for Trupti Desai and the Bhumata Brigade to reach. Kamlesh, if you were listening to those conversations now, if you're because Trupti Desai clearly says that she is going to march into dargah, unlike Jatin that you were speaking to, who seemed to suggest that they only plan to hold a silent protest outside the dargah. So what is this sort of confusion about?
Well, I'll put that question to Jatin Desai himself. We just spoke to Trupti Desai on the phone, and she said that, as you mentioned earlier, that it's going to be silent protest. She says that she's going to march inside the dargah. So there seems to be a little confusion about what exactly the protests are going to be.
We'll resolve the matter amicably, so it's not an issue. It's not an issue. We'll speak to Trupti and we'll see that everything goes well. So there is no differences as such. There may be some communication gap, but as such.
We've seen, in the past that whenever Trupti Desai and the Bhumata Brigade have protested, be it Trambakeshwar or Shani Shignapur temple, she has made a point by entering the Sanctum Sanctorum earlier. So this time around, there could be, allegations or things which could be taken otherwise. That, she's protested there, she's entered the Sanctum Sanctorum. Here, it could be a silent protest. So
silent protest, and from the very beginning, Haji Ali Sabke Liye, we are categorically saying that it will be a peaceful demonstration, and this is one step forward. We are not saying that the issue will be resolved today itself. It will take some time, but the fight will go on till its logical conclusion. And today, in fact, we will just have peaceful demonstration. The idea behind this agitation is
the agitation only about making a point or entering Haji Ali Dargah Sanctum Sanctorum where women are not allowed?
It's making a point that in Haji Ali Dargah, women are discriminated. That we want to make it point. Other thing, what we are saying, that if such kind of discrimination doesn't exist in other dargah, then why only in Haji Ali?
Okay. So there you have it, yes. Smita. They say that it's only about discrimination. It's about making a point about discrimination done to women at the Haji Ali Dargah.
Okay, we'll see as to, what are the kind of takers that are there to Trupti Desai's plans, because at the moment, at least as far as Samajwadi Party goes, which definitely has a significant vote base amongst Muslims, they seem to be opposed to the idea. We spoke to Amana Ali and Azam Khan of the Samajwadi Party. Let's listen into their reactions.
हमारा लक्ष्य ये है कि अगर वो अच्छे से आती और बोलती कि मेरे को दर्शन ही करना है, तो हम बाखुदा इजाज़त उसको अंदर जाने देते। लेकिन उसका लक्ष्य ये है कि मैं हर जगह से जीत के आई हूँ, तो यहाँ भी मैं अंदर दरगाह पे जाऊँगी, चूमूंगी, मज़ार को हाथ लगाऊंगी, कपड़ा, तो ये हम लोग के अंदर है नहीं। हमारे इस्लाम के अंदर ये चीज़ें नहीं है कि औरत जाके दरगाह पे हाथ लगाए और चूमे, वो इसलिए हम लोग उसके नाराज़ हैं।
देखिए, ये सारी बातें मज़हबों से और धर्मों से जुड़ी हुई हैं और इस पर ज़्यादा बेहतर राय वही लोग दे सकते हैं जो धर्म और मज़हब के जानकार हैं, ज्ञाता हैं। अक़ीदों से खिलवाड़ नहीं होना चाहिए और मज़हबी मुद्दों को राजनीतिक मुद्दा नहीं बनाना चाहिए। ऐसे मामला को शोहरत की सीढ़ी नहीं बनाना चाहिए।
Remember, Trupti Desai plans to enter the Sanctum Sanctorum of Mumbai's Haji Ali Dargah this afternoon. So, Kamlesh and Mayuresh, we will keep cutting back to you for more updates in a short while from now.
Little Master Sachin Tendulkar has turned 43 today and he celebrated his day by playing cricket with school children at the MIG Cricket Club. The children who are fighting cancer expressed their wish to play.